Here I have TCL 30, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, let's go to the upper bar, and here we find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be calls, it could be messages, it could be repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within 15-minute period, this call will be added to exceptions too. It could be alarm sounds. And you can also add a schedule for this mode. It could be like you can change name of the schedule, you can select days on which it will be active, and you can select its end time and start time. And that's all the settings for the Do Not Disturb mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.